Struggling to boost your credit score? Here's how you can do it fast and keep debt in check. Follow up with a teaser about the benefits. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to improve your credit score and take control of your finances. What's up, everyone? Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Whether you're crushing your savings goals or struggling with debt, today we're talking about something that impacts everyone: your credit score and debt management. Trust me, this is the one area of personal finance you don't want to ignore. Let's make 2024 the year you master your money. Why should you care about your credit score? Okay, let's start with the basics. Why should you care about your credit score? Imagine being able to get the lowest interest rates on loans, qualify for the best credit cards, or even land your dream apartment. Yep, that's the power of a strong credit score. And in 2024, your score could make or break your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or trying to repair past mistakes, understanding your credit score gives you financial freedom. It's like unlocking a new level in a game. Suddenly, you have access to things you didn't think were possible. How credit scores are really calculated. Ever wonder what's happening behind the scenes when your credit score changes? It's not random. There are 5 major factors that make up your score, and mastering these could be your secret weapon to a better financial life. 1. Payment history, 35%. The biggest piece of the pie. Missing even one payment? Ouch. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. Keep it under 30%, but the pros? They aim for 10% or less. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. Time is your friend here. 4. New credit inquiries, 10%. Applying for too many new cards? That's a red flag. 5. Credit mix, 10%. A variety of credit types can actually boost your score. Quick tip: if you're thinking of applying for a new card, pause. Too many inquiries can ding your score. Instead, focus on paying off existing balances. Quick wins to boost your credit in 2024. Now let's get into the good stuff: how to actually improve your score. It doesn't take forever. Here are 3 quick wins that can make a big difference fast. Pay bills on time. This might sound simple, but it's huge. Even if it's just the minimum payment, paying on time is non-negotiable. Lower your credit utilization. If you're using more than 30% of your available credit, that's a problem. But you don't need to pay off everything. Just bringing it down to under 30% can boost your score. Want to aim higher? 10% is golden. Monitor your credit report. Did you know you could have errors on your credit report that are dragging you down? Get your free credit report and make sure there's nothing fishy going on. Think of these tips like working out. The more consistent you are, the stronger your financial muscle gets. Debt management hacks to get you ahead. All right, let's talk debt. If you've got debt hanging over your head, you're not alone. But here's the thing: you can get out of it. Let me break down 2 killer strategies for paying off debt faster. 1. The snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next one. It's all about building momentum. 2. The avalanche method. If you're more of a numbers person, this one's for you. Focus on paying off your highest interest debt first. It's smart, it's strategic, and it saves you a ton in interest. Not sure which one's right for you? Here's the deal: choose whichever one motivates you more. Financial freedom is within reach, and every small step adds up tools to help you stay on top of credit and debt. Managing your credit and debt doesn't have to be stressful, thanks to some game-changing apps. I love using Credit Karma to monitor my score. It's free and gives you insights on how to improve. If you're drowning in subscriptions you forgot about, Truebill can help cancel those for you. And if you want an overall picture of your finances, Mint has got your back. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't fall for these. Before you go, let me tell you the common mistakes I see all the time. If you can avoid these, you'll be light years ahead. 1. Missing payments. Even one missed payment can tank your score. Set up auto pay so you never forget. 2. Maxing out credit cards. Using 90% of your credit? Lenders get nervous. Keep it low. 3. Opening too many accounts. Applying for lots of new credit in a short time? It's a major red flag for lenders. Remember, it's not just about what you do, it's also about what you don't do. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll be on your way to financial success. So there you have it, the keys to mastering your credit score and taking control of debt in 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips that'll help you live your best financial life. And remember, building great credit isn't just about money. It's about building the freedom to live the life you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.